Online outrage spreads rapidly through social media platforms daily. Engagement incentives drive creators to produce provocative content constantly. Polarization increases as people interact with like-minded individuals online. Recommendation loops amplify extreme views, shaping public discourse. Creators face pressure to maintain high engagement rates always. Analytics dashboards track performance, influencing content decisions greatly. A person scrolling through their video feed may notice patterns. Videos with provocative titles receive more views and attention. The online outrage machine operates on a hidden system framework. Understanding this system requires analyzing engagement incentives closely. Social media algorithms prioritize content that sparks strong emotions. The consequences of this system affect online interactions profoundly. Algorithms prioritize provocative content to maximize user engagement instantly. This creates a self-reinforcing cycle of outrage and polarization online. Creators feel pressure to produce sensational content for visibility. The recommendation loop favors extreme views over nuanced discussions. As a result, online discourse becomes increasingly divisive and toxic. The line between authentic expression and performative outrage blurs. Audiences are fed a constant stream of provocative content intentionally. This can lead to a sense of emotional exhaustion and desensitization. The system incentivizes creators to push boundaries for attention. In this environment, constructive dialogue and empathy are often overlooked. The pursuit of engagement can overshadow the pursuit of truth and understanding. Ultimately, the online outrage machine perpetuates itself through engagement incentives. Polarization fuels the online outrage machine, creating divisions and tensions. Recommendation loops amplify extreme views, shaping public discourse and opinions. Engagement incentives drive creators to produce provocative content, sparking controversy. Engagement incentives can perpetuate provocative content, fueling polarization and conflict online constantly. Recommendation loops amplify extreme views, creating an environment of intense division and hostility. Creators face pressure to produce sensational content, compromising quality and authenticity sometimes. The pursuit of online influence can lead to a loss of control over the narrative. Analyzing the hidden system reveals a complex interplay of factors driving online outrage. By recognizing these dynamics, individuals can make informed decisions about their online engagement. Critical thinking and media literacy are essential skills for navigating the online landscape. The role of algorithms in shaping online discourse is a key aspect of the hidden system. Understanding the mechanisms behind online outrage can help mitigate its harmful effects. By promoting nuanced discussion and diverse perspectives, a more balanced online environment can emerge. Ultimately, addressing the root causes of online outrage requires a collective effort and awareness. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.